Most chili recipes are missing one secret ingredient that transforms everything you thought you knew about comfort food. Get ready to ditch your old go-to. Ever crave something hearty, healthy, and packed with flavor, but without all the fuss? Today, we're diving into a full recipe for a turkey pumpkin chili with quinoa that's going to become your new favorite. It's perfect for cozy evenings, meal prep, or when you just want a bowl of goodness that actually fuels your body. You know how some chilies can feel heavy, leaving you sluggish or just flat? We're fixing that. This isn't your grandma's chili, though she'd definitely approve of the wholesome ingredients. We're talking lean ground turkey for protein, fiber-rich pumpkin for a subtle sweetness and incredible creaminess, and nutrient-packed quinoa that adds fantastic texture while boosting the health factor. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. We'll sauté our turkey and onions, then introduce a symphony of spices: cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, before stirring in crushed tomatoes, creamy pumpkin puree, and broth. The magic really happens when that quinoa simmers right in the pot, soaking up all those incredible flavors. The aroma filling your kitchen? Unbeatable. So, if you're looking for a chili that's both deliciously satisfying and genuinely good for you, this turkey pumpkin chili with quinoa is it. It's simple enough for anyone to master. Tap here for your next mealtime inspiration.